They clean our homes, they drive our cars, they keep us safe, but still they can't use the same elevators as we do. Social prejudice and discrimination has reached such a low in our cities that in Mumbai skyscrapers, domestic helps, drivers and security guards all have got to use their own dedicated lift and not the one everyone else uses. Listen in carefully to these voices of pain and sorrow.
दो तीन बार हुआ हमको बाहर निकाल देते हैं, फिर आपके लिए सर्वेंट लिफ्ट है, आप उसमें जाए, लोग जाते हैं।
लेकिन तो फिर कभी आपको तभी बुरा लगा था?
बुरा तो लगता है लेकिन कर भी क्या सकते हैं।
गुस्सा भी होता है कभी कभी, फिर काय किला इसमें क्या किला वो लोग बोलते हैं ना, कपड़ा अच्छा कपड़ा नहीं तो ऐसे बोलते हैं वो लोग, थोड़ा बहुत तो बुरा लगता रहता है ना।
Like I might have maids or servants, but if the other servant they just stare at me and just keep staring in the lift, that's a huge issue. I mean, nobody will like that.
Discrimination, denigration at its ugliest. The prejudice of class echoing in these voices in Mumbai's residential high-rises, home to the rich and powerful, where drivers, domestic help, even cooks and watchmen aren't allowed to use the same elevators as others.
वो पैसा वाला तो ऐसा करते हैं वो लोग, पैसा आप उनसे पैसा नहीं करके आप लोग मेहनत करता।
The bias prevalent even in corporate buildings, where this liftman says if they fail to follow these instructions, they lose pay.
अच्छा, तो आप लोगों को बोला गया?
हाँ, हम लोग को बोला गया। हम लोग को मतलब ब्रीफिंग में इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं लोग।
अच्छा।
कैसे पर्सन को ये लिफ्ट से जाना है, ये लिफ्ट से जाना है।
और अगर उन्होंने दूसरा लिफ्ट लिया तो
हम लोग मना करते हैं ना उनको, कि हम लोगों को मना किया गया है। और सिक्किम लड़के अदर लिफ्ट से नहीं जा सकते, अपना वॉचमैन हो गए, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हो गए,
उनके लिए भी। लेकिन काम तो काम होता है।
आपको मैंने बोला नहीं कि लोगों का एटीट्यूड जो है सबका अलग है।
जो अगर आपका जो लिफ्ट वाला है जिसने ऐसा काम बराबर से नहीं किया तो उनको डांट भी पड़ती है।
हाँ, पड़ते हैं, उनको बोला जाता है कि आपको एक दिन का एब्सेंट लगा दिया जाएगा, सैलरी आपको इंक्रीज कर दिया जाएगा।
Dignity and respect, that's what everyone wants. But as we found out, the real purpose of service elevators is rampantly misused. And this on-your-face class divide continues.
So, the social strata is different. Education system is different. So, generally, it's not a good idea.
This is a practice that we all are aware of, but we still choose to look the other way. The irony is that without these people, our busy urban lives simply goes for a toss. But when it comes to standing shoulder to shoulder, we cringe and let our prejudice prevail. In Mumbai with camera person Rajesh Sonar, Rashmi Rajput, NDTV.
Joining us to debate all of this, joining us here in Mumbai, we have Rahul Narvekar of the Shiv Sena. In Delhi, we have Ranjana Kumari, Director, Center for Social Research. And we also have in Delhi, Tehseen Poonawalla, columnist. And in Goa, we have Alec Padamsee, advertising guru. Alec, let me start with you. Since you are the oldest on this panel, you have seen India, urban India, as no one else has on this panel. You won't be surprised by this because you have seen pre-independence India where dogs and Indians were not allowed. This is being compared to that. Perhaps not new, but still absolutely shocking still. Alec.
No, it is shocking that in this day and age now, in 2012, that we are still continuing these horrible practices. The point is that unfortunately in India, we are constantly building walls between us and other people. For instance, Muslims are not allowed to buy flats in Bombay. We all know about that. For instance, Dalits are still being discriminated against all the time for the last 1,000 years. And now we continue to have a class warfare between domestic help and ourselves. I think this is wrong. I think if there is, mind you, a domestic help elevator, yes, certainly. But if they can't get that or it's out of order or they're in a hurry, I see no reason why we can't stand shoulder to shoulder with our domestic help. After all, they're in our homes, they are part of our family. Why are we discriminating against them? It is something we have to correct.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display. full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.